Howdy Doody peeps, and welcome back to the channel. And today's little adventure, something totally different for me. We're at Bempton Cliffs. So yeah, we're on a puffin hunt amongst some other birds. So yeah, so come along and just see what happens today. I will probably put you on my shoulder strap as well when I'm shooting so you can see what's happening. So yeah, come along as we try and find a few little puffins. We are walking across the cliff edge now. I've tried to get one or two bits of video on through the camera as well with the long lens on. But as you can see from here, there's birds all over the place. And it is a lot harder than what you think. Not like the landscape where it stays still for you. But yeah, these don't. So what I'll do, I'll put one or two shots on that I've got for you so far. I'll put them up. I'm trying to get a couple beaking as well. So if that happens, I'll put them up for you as well. So we are walking on to where there's like little open areas, just trying to get, especially the gannets, a lot of gannets where they're nesting and stuff as well. I'm hoping to try and get a couple where they've got the nesting stuff in the beaks as well, and one or two in flight, so fingers crossed I'll get my eye in. But for the time being, I'll bob these images up now I've got so far for you as we continue to walk across the top of Bempton Cliffs. I think I've got my first puffin. Well, a pair of puffins. They're all tucked under the cliff, so it might be a bit of a crop. I will bang on 600mm with it. So anyway, if it works out, or either way, if it doesn't, it don't. It's a puffin. So I'll bob it on anyway. Wasn't the best of shot, but just got it while we could. So yeah, we're walking on a bit further now. Like I say, there's a couple of viewing stations down there where everyone is. It is a busy day today, obviously with it being bright sunshine, so yeah. So I thought we'd try a bit of bird photography for a change. I know it's more of a landscape channel, but we're here to diversify a little bit, so yeah. So I'll bob this one on for you as we continue, see what else we can capture today. I think I've got another one and it was just perched on the end of a cliff. But what I've noticed, the further down this left hand side you go, the more peaceful it gets. Look at this as well. Nice little lines in there, look, that'd have been nice. But I've only got the long lens with me today, so what I'll do, I'll carry on going anyway. Any more images that I've got, I'll bob on for you for so far, and I'll catch up with you a bit when we get to another little viewing point, hopefully. But yeah, we're getting away from the crowds, let's say. As you can see, there's just a couple of puffins there. I've taken one or two shots, so I'll put them on for you next. There we go. Just try and get a B-roll for you. Right peeps, bit of a short and sweet one today with that. Obviously it's quite hard to video and shoot at the same time, so I'll try to do a bit of video on the camera as we go along. But what I'll do, I'll end with all the final images now. If you do come here, it's £7 per person, and when you come down, go to the left. The left side I found is much better than this right hand side. So yeah, a little tip there, go to the left. So yeah, if you've enjoyed this, please give us your thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing, and I'll end with all the final images now for you. Bye for now.